my shit.
I am now going to show you how to get 500 mangoes to the market. It is completely possible to get more mangoes with increments of 250 or less. Now first of all, Loki the Llama is at the start, and she needs to get to the market with as many mangoes as possible. Now of course, being a llama, she eats one mango every mile she walks, so that takes off each mile one mango. So the first thing that we're going to do is take 2,000 on her back, and we're going to go to the 500-mile mark. Then, because she ate all those mangoes for 500 miles, that's minus 500 mangoes. So, we drop off 1,000 at the second point, because we need enough mangoes to come back, which is another 500. So there are a total of 1,000 mangoes at the 500 point. Now we go back, which is minus 500 mangoes, and we pick up another 2,000. And then we take it again to the 500 point for another time, which is minus 500. Then we drop off another 1,000, which is now a total of 2,000. Then we go back one last time, which is minus 500 again. Then we take the last 2,000 on her back and go to the 500 point. This time we drop off 1,500 after taking off those 500, because she doesn't need to go back. So there are now 3,500 at that 500 mark. Now, because we don't need to actually drop it off there, we could continue going. We could just take 2,000 on her back. Actually, we do need to drop it off. And then we take the 2,000, go there, which is, we drop off 1,000. So there's now a total of 1,000 there. And then we come back, which is minus 500. Then we take the remaining 1,500 and we go to the 1,000 mark, which is minus 500. Then we technically drop them off, but really we're just picking up that extra 1,000. So she's picking up 2,000. But first we'll just drop them off really quickly and then pick them back up. It's just a good way of showing your work. So then we go to the 1,500 mark, which is minus 500. And so now we have a total of 1,500. Then we go to the 2,000 mark, which is minus another 500, and so we only have 1,000. And then finally, we go to the 2,500 mark, which is the market, which is plus 500 for the market, and minus 500 for the trip. This whole thing could be done in one part, but I decided to do it in 3 increments, which is easier. So that's how to get 500 mangoes to the market. Once again, it's completely possible with increments of 250. So there you go.
Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand.